Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about Power BI. Before we understand Power BI, we need to understand data visualization. Data visualization is the process of using visual elements like charts, graphs or maps to represent data. One of the data visualization tools is Power BI. To understand about data visualization, please watch my previous video, Statistics for Data Science Part 16. You might ask me, why Microsoft Power BI? Power BI is more user-friendly compared to other visualization tools. We can access information real-time. We can access multiple databases. Ability to customize security features. It's economical and cost-effective, etc. Now we will install Microsoft Power BI.
Power BI download for Windows. Now click on the official link. Now here we can see the download button. Click on it. To know if your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, go to Windows and type system info. Click on it. Here we can see the system type. Here we can see the system type, that is here my system contains 64 based PC. So I have to click on 64.exe. If your system contains 32 bits, click on the 481.4 MB. Now click on the download button. Click on save. Here we can see the download option. It's downloading. Wait until it gets downloaded.
After the download completes, follow the installation prompts to install Power BI Desktop. Next, once installed, launch Power BI Desktop to ensure it's working correctly. Click on the Finish button and it's downloaded. Thank you. We will continue further in the next video. Please keep watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe for more of these content.